What's up guys, my name is Miles. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been riding your motorcycle and then come to a stoplight and waited there for like 5 minutes and you start to feel the heat just rise up right in your crotch and it starts to get a little sweaty and a little hot and you're waiting for the light to turn but it's not turning and you're getting hotter and it sucks and it's uncomfortable? Well, guess what? I have the solution for you. At least for 18 and up Softails, Kuryakyn makes heat shields for your bike. This is a neat find. I'm so happy I found these. They are saddle shields for 18 and up Softail models. I'm going to go ahead and point out here that it says miles ahead Kuryakyn. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, I kept seeing that and I was like, that's right, miles ahead. Go ahead and put miles on it too while you're at it. Here they are. Pretty fancy, kind of like a dark tint, smoke reflective kind of look. Now, I tried to get these at the dealership and I found out that they are on back order until October, which is ridiculous. That's like 3 months away. And just so happens that I found them on Amazon, on freaking Amazon. Look at those things. Those are going to protect my crotch from the heat. Woo! Looks like a pretty simple installation process as well. It comes with a long bolt here. I think you reuse some of the hardware. I have had this for about a week now and I still have not installed it because I wanted to show it to you guys and share it with you guys so you guys know that it's available and it's out there for your 18 and up Softail. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go install this on the Street Bob. First step is to take the seat off. Check out this seat nut bolt I've got. The seat is off the bike. So what we're going to do next is we're going to remove these bolts here, this bolt and this screw here, and then you come down here and you see these, and we're going to remove these as well. And then we're going to take these plastic pieces off. It says that we will take them off and not use them again. These plastic pieces are just on the sides here of the tank and they just slide right off. So I removed the old screws here, put the new ones in and just kind of lined them up where it should go and tightened down, finger tight a little bit. And now I'm going to take the tank screw and put it through this part right here. Okay guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just bolted right through. Very easy to do. Now I'm just going to tighten these all down and probably put the seat back on and then we'll be wrapped up. So the saddle shields are fully installed. They look pretty good. I like the look of them. Hopefully this is going to prevent a whole bunch of swamp ass. Good job, Kuryakyn. Alright, well that's going to be it for the install. I don't know, that took me about a whole 10 minutes. Very simple, very easy. And they look pretty good. I'm happy with how they look. So the next thing to determine is if they actually work. So let's go ride the bike and see if they actually work. I have to say, they look pretty spiffy. I like how they look. It kind of gives it this like futuristic look. So we're gonna just ride the bike for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just enough to get it really hot. We want to get it hot. We want to see if the swamp ass ensues. Now I've seen mid-frame air deflectors by Harley Davidson, but they're only for like touring models. They do make some for older Softail models, but I had not seen any for the newer Softail models, and I thought that they would be really nice to have. It would be really nice to have that because obviously the engine gets hot, like I was saying, sitting at stoplights and everything. I got no problem heating up this engine, I'll tell you that. Really, the best way to find out is to get it hot and then sit at a traffic light, which I'm not looking forward to do. Most times I'm really trying to avoid that, but we're gonna put them to the test here. All right, so here we go. Here's this traffic light, a stoplight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do what I normally do and just sit here and see if this heat dissipates. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big difference, man. Usually my legs are sweating right about now. I can barely feel it. That's awesome. That is awesome. I mean, I still feel it a little bit down, you know, underneath, but nowhere near like it was. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I mean, obviously I can still feel it just a little bit, but it's like nowhere near where it was, the amount of heat that it was at. So overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. Ooh, I like getting caught in between here. Woo! That sounds cool. So yeah, look at me looking out for you guys, showing you all the new nifty, cool stuff out there for your bikes. So thanks for watching. I put out content pretty frequently. It would really mean a lot to me if you went ahead and liked and commented and subscribed to my channel. And I hope this turns you guys on to something if you didn't know about it already. And yeah, man, it works. Kuryakyn saddle shields for 18 and up Softail models. Great success. Very happy with it. Easy installation. So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm about to rip it down this road off into the sunset. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the rubber side down, ride fast, take chances. I'll see you guys in the next video.